Here I have TCL Tab 10 Max, and today I'm going to show you how to change volume buttons function in camera on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, go to its settings by tapping on the gear icon, and here you can find volume button function. You can set it to shutter, to zoom, or to just volume. So let's set it to zoom and try this feature out. So as you can see right now, with volume buttons I can zoom in or zoom out. So yeah. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.